Good morning, it's Glenn here from Newton Honda in Croydon. Thanks very much for your inquiry last night on our Toyota RAV4. As promised, I said I'd give you a personal tour around the vehicle. So here it is. It's a 2019 model, priced at $22,850. You did ask me about the condition of the vehicle, and as I said yesterday, when we were doing a video for a customer yesterday, the only thing we could spot, and I've got to try and identify it again, yep, it's just here. There's a slight nick in the alloy wheel, which we will get rectified. It's booked in to have our smart repair look at that on Thursday. So, just you asked a couple of questions about the vehicle. I just want to take you round. So inside the vehicle, it is fully fitted with leather, and as I said, this is in great condition. And you did ask me a question about the spare wheel, which if I just take you around the back and show you inside the boot, it's all electrically operated by either the key or by handle. The car has actually got rubber mats in both the boot and the inside, but inside there you can see the spare wheel. Listen, thanks very much. I mean, the condition of the car is amazing. It's literally just coming to stock. We are getting it put on the web with all the photos, etc. But as I said yesterday, if you want to reserve this vehicle, please give me a call ASAP and I can take it off sale for you, and then you can come and collect on Saturday. But I'll speak to you a little bit later. Thanks very much for watching.